Good afternoon, everybody. I am student meteorologist Justin Williams here to give you your North Georgia weather forecast. But first, let's take a look at our University of Georgia Skycam with Sanford Stadium at the heart of our campus here. It's been a lovely day. It's been a little bit warm, a little bit on the warm side. Really not a whole lot of clouds to be seen, as you guys can see. Clear skies for much of Athens and for much of North Georgia as well. 78 degrees here in Athens right now. That dew point's been slowly rising here for the past couple of days. We were at about 20 degrees. Now we're at 53 just a few days later. So that humidity is slowly increasing, but I believe it's going to be limited. Not going to get a whole lot higher than that as we go into the next couple of days. So that is your good news. In terms of your future view, what could we be expecting for the next couple of days in terms of clouds and rainfall? Well, the short answer is none. The long answer is that you guys could be seeing some fog in the upper elevations starting Thursday morning, especially around LJ and maybe parts towards Canton. But for the most part, that's going to be very isolated. Much of North Georgia will not be seeing a whole lot. It's just going to be in spotty, higher elevation areas. And then going in through to tomorrow, all that fog is going to be fading out as we go into the day, making out for a very clear skies day for Thursday. It's really the same thing we've been seeing. Going into Friday, that's when we could be seeing a little bit more clouds, probably not any rain, but this model did pick up on maybe a sprinkle or two towards the towards the higher elevations in the mountains. So keep an eye on that, but most likely we're not going to be seeing any rain, and that's probably going to be tipping us off. We may not even be seeing rain for the whole month of October, which has never happened before. So we'll be keeping you updated on that, especially as we get closer into next week. And going into your forecasted lows tonight, not a whole lot of clouds to be seen. 57 degrees for much of North Georgia, 57 here in Athens. And as we go into your forecasted highs, we're going to be rebounding nicely into the mid to lower 80s for much of North Georgia. 83 degrees here in Athens is the number, mostly low 80s for North Georgia. Here's your corn maze forecast. We're getting real close to Halloween. If you guys want to go on a spooky maze, spooky scarecrow here, 84 degrees on Saturday. Could be a good day to go. Amazing weather if you get it. Okay, going into Sunday, 70 degrees, a little bit of a better day. A little sunny skies as well. Not a whole lot of rain, really. 20% chance, but that's most likely going to be decreasing as we get closer to that day. Not a whole lot of rain this weekend is expected, with a pretty nice decrease in temperatures as we go into Sunday. Here's your 7-day forecast. Thursday, 83 degrees. As we go into your weekend, we're going to be on a slight warming trend. Starting Saturday, then a cold front's going to be pushing its way through, bulldozing all that warm air out. And now we see the 70s and 60s again, and they're going to be persisting all the way into next week. Once again, I am student meteorologist Justin Williams. Not a whole lot of rain to be seen. We'll keep you updated on that, and go Dogs.